Hello dear students, this is Mahmood Ul Hassan, QEC Focal Person at Government Degree College Deer Upper. In this video, I will guide you on how to submit your course evaluation and teacher evaluation forms. So let's get started. First, open any web browser such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type qac.hed.gkp.pk/login and press enter. Once the website opens, you will see the login interface. Enter your CNIC, please. So enter your password. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. After logging in, your profile page will appear. At the top, you can see your name and your session type, that is BS, your program, that is your department, your current semester, and your session. Below, you will find the list of courses you are studying this semester. You can see each course with the corresponding course instructor has two options, that is the course evaluation and teacher evaluation. In front of each course, you will see a status such as not submitted. For example, you can see the first course, that is Algebra 2, Ring and Field. The corresponding course instructor is Kamran Arif, and the course evaluation form is not submitted yet. Similarly, the teacher evaluation form is also not submitted. So click on the not submitted button. Below the course evaluation, I'm going to click on this not submitted icon. The evaluation form will open. You have to carefully answer all these questions in this form. For example, the first question is the course objectives were clear. If you are strongly agree with this question, so you have to click on this option. If you are just agree, so you have to click on this. If you are neutral, so you have to click on this. If you are disagree with this question, so you have to click on this. And if you are strongly disagree, so you have to click on this option. Okay, so let me fill this form, just randomly. It is not the part of the evaluation. Okay, so just to show you how to fill and how to submit this form. So let me fill this form. So you can see at the end of the form, you will see a remarks section. So you may write your feedback or remarks if you wish. For example, let me write any remarks. So for example, the course should be revised periodically to reflect new knowledge, for example, and let's say real world applications. So let's suppose this is my remarks. So if you do not want to add any remarks, so you can leave it blank. Okay, so after completing the form, click on the save changes button. So your evaluation will be successfully submitted to the QEC. Return to the main page. You will now see the status change from not submitted to submitted. This confirms that your evaluation has been successfully completed. Repeat the same process for all your course evaluation forms and teacher evaluation forms. So thank you for your time. If you face any issue, please contact the QEC office.